What do Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey, and Bill Gates all have in common? Besides all having enviable bank account statements, it turns out highly successful people share certain habits that set them up for success. A survey of 233 self-made millionaires conducted by financial planner Tom Corley found a pattern of daily practices that help successful people get the most out of each day. First, get up early and map out your day. Make a to-do list so you have a clear idea of everything that needs to be accomplished. Also, successful people are sure to carve out time for self-care. Often, this takes the form of reading and exercise. Corley found 88% of self-made millionaires devote at least 30 minutes of each day to reading. 76% make aerobic exercise a daily habit as well. Lastly, be sure to sleep enough. Albert Einstein claimed he needed at least 10 hours of sleep to function at his best. Alright, so I'm mapping out today's plan. Schedule some self-care, fit in some extra sleep, and then start raking in the millions.